Welcome to the channel. Before we talk about the protagonist of this video, we ask you to subscribe to the channel. For us, it's essential to make more videos like these. If you have subscribed, we thank you, and now we can start by talking about one of the most important personalities of the 20th century, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German theoretical physicist, mainly known for his theory of relativity and the famous equation E equals mc squared. Born in 1879 in Ulm, Germany, he studied at ETH Zurich and later worked at the University of Bern and the University of Zurich. In 1914, he moved to Berlin, where he became the director of the Institute of Physics at the University of Berlin. In 1921, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. Einstein was also a great pacifist and political activist, committed to the fight against nuclear weapons and racism. In 1933, he left Germany due to the rise of Nazism and moved to the United States, where he accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton. He died in 1955 in Princeton, at the age of 76. He left us a legacy of values and teachings. Here are some of his most famous quotes. Imagination is more important than knowledge because knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the universe. I belong to the only race I know, the human race. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted. There are two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. It's easier to split an atom than a prejudice. He who follows the crowd will never be followed by a distinguished crowd. Those who go alone are likely to be in places where no one has ever been. I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious.